Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add custom webhooks in your agent portal. Don't worry, it's simple, and I'll guide you through each step. First, go to the digital journey folder inside your portal, click to open it, then select the workflow inside. In the workflow, you need to add a trigger called inbound webhook. After adding it, copy the URL it provides. Next, go to your agent portal's webhook settings and paste a copied URL into the second field for webhooks. Now let's try to fetch some sample records. If you see no records, that's likely because no surveys have been submitted yet. We'll need to fill out an application to generate some data. To fill out an application, go to your settings and copy the ACA flow link. Use it to complete the survey with the required information such as name, date, and other necessary details. Once the application is submitted, we'll check if any records were fetched. Now, let's head back to the webhook settings. Here, you can see that a record has been fetched. Select this record to review its details. Next, click on Save Trigger. Since the contact was already created, delete the Create Contact option, and instead click on Create or Update Contact. If you notice any missing fields, like the email address, click on the Tag tab, go to the Inbound Webhook trigger, and add the missing information. Here's the email we're adding from the webhook. Once you select it, it will automatically update in the Contact tab. If you want to add an extra field, you just click onto the Add Field button and select the field which you want to add. For example, if you want to add the full name, you just click onto the Full Name tab and click on this trigger, Inbound by Book trigger. You want to add to the applicant full name, just click on the Applicant tab, and here you need to select Full Name. At this time, the full name is not available. .we are using first name and last name. You can select first name first and then second name. In this way, we can store the applicant full name. After that, just click on the Save to Action button and click on the Save the tab. In this way, you can map all the fields and update the contact. Same as it is, we need to enter the webhook for the agent consent submission and enter the webhook for the app confirmation. We need to open the second workflow same as it is. We perform the previous steps. Here also we need to add an inbound webhook trigger. Just copy this webhook and paste into your agent portal into the third agent consent submission webhook. You just need to paste the webhook. On the other hand, this is our agent consent. We just need to fill out this agent consent. Our data is fetched into that webhook. After submitting the agent consent, we can go to our workflow and check if any data is passed or not. Here you can see the record is already fetched. Here is the information. We just need to click on the Save trigger. Delete this Create Contact because this is already created here. Same as it is, we need to store data for app confirmation. We open the third workflow and perform the same steps. Here we also need to add inbound webhook trigger. Copy this URL and paste into the webhook settings of the third one. We also complete the application consent here. We sign here and submit it. After submitting, we can check our workflow. Is there any data is fetched or not? Here you can see the same data is fetched here. You just need to select that link and click onto the Save option. And that's it. You've successfully added custom webhooks in your agent portal. You can now map all fields, update contacts, and manage your workflows. Thanks for watching.